Hey guys, I wanted to thank our sponsors GameFlip ICO, where you can get paid to play video games. Check out their token sale page for more information and a chance to win $1,000 in GameFlip tokens by signing up for their newsletter. Their ICO starts on December 4th and runs until January 29th.
What's up? What's up? How's everyone doing today? Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. This is Sneh here at Crypto Somniac. Where the rich never sleeps and the markets never sleep. So Thanksgiving, Christmas, doesn't matter. We're bringing you content almost every day. Well, mostly every day, right? So let's go through. I just wanted to talk about Ethereum really quick and Bitcoin Black Friday. So what does that mean? So let's take a look. Okay. All right, so Ethereum, let's take a look at Ethereum USD and see how those look. It blasted past 400, hit an all-time high, and then came down a little bit for a small little correction. Of course, that's okay. I don't mind Ethereum ever going up and having a small little correction. That's completely fine with me. All right, let's see what's going on in the daily and see if we actually have broken that all-time high. So this is daily volume all the way going back till October for Ethereum, September for Ethereum, and we easily broke past that all-time high. We are at all-time high, guys. Congratulations for all you Ethereum holders. I know we've been saying on this channel to hold Ethereum, to accumulate Ethereum. Sam predicted that I actually didn't believe in it at first, but he said, hey, I think we're going to hit 500 on Ethereum by the end of the year. Now I'm a believer. It's Thanksgiving. I'm very thankful for the gains, so that's it, so Ethereum blasting off. We're going to do a little bit of technical analysis, but it's going to be rough with this one. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the volume. Okay, that's insane volume. Okay, that is insane volume. So yeah, I don't know about this one, guys. Yeah, I don't know if this one is like if I shouldn't take profit or not. I mean, I don't think I'm going to take profit. It's Thanksgiving. I'm not going to be trading too much. Spend time, eat some good food. Hey everybody, Vaishalev, Topher, Joran, Yo, what's cracking? Crypto Cartel. All right, awesome. I'm glad you guys are here to join us today. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video. Ethereum is blasting off, and I'll go through BTC, and then I want to talk to you a little bit about Bitcoin Black Friday and what I really think is going to be happening, since more and more merchants are, I'll talk about that later. But let's go through these charts real quick. Okay, Ethereum doing pretty well, doing maybe outstanding. A little bit outstanding, a little bit too well, I think. I think we are definitely due for a small little correction. I mean, that is a massive gain. But we'll check it out even on the 2 hour. I mean, the 4 hour doesn't look too bad. I mean, it does look like it's stabilizing a little bit. 2 hour, yeah, see, I think we are going to hit a small little correction, maybe balance around 400. That's most likely my prediction. I think 400 is a solid level to consolidate. I mean, Bitcoin is consolidating at 1,000. We'll take a look at that, but there's a sell signal here on the wave trend, lazy bear wave trend cross. So I don't know about this one, guys. I don't know if I'd be accumulating any right now. If you are thinking about, oh, let me FOMO in, I wouldn't FOMO in right now. It is a little high. I think we'll drop down to 400. Maybe that's a better time to buy. But obviously the markets change every day, so it is interesting and difficult to see what's actually going on here. So all right, let's go take a look at BTC USD. We're gonna fly through this today. It's Thanksgiving. Y'all should be spending time watching football, eating, passing out. Maybe not getting too educated here today. So let's take a look at BTC. All right. Wow. Okay. That's pretty amazing. I mean, that's pretty amazing. We did break down from that little upward trend going, but that's not too bad. I mean, we're not seeing any volume today. I don't think the Americans or Asians have woken up today. I mean, no one's trading. That's crazy. I mean, just look at all the red and green candles here on the bottom of my screen, and now there's like almost nothing. Like look at that last green candle in the last 4 hours. It's barely any volume. That's pretty impressive to me to see how huge holidays really affect trading patterns. So there it is. $8,000 is consolidating. On the 4 hour, we are still going down. I think we'll still continue to go down. Let's see the 2 hour. Let's see if we could. No, still going down. Doesn't look that great for Bitcoin. I mean, I think we may even dip below. Yeah, I think we're going to dip below 8,000. I think we're going to continue going down. I mean, there's no indication that any sort of reversal is happening. One big thing to look out for is a hammer or a large engulfing candle to kind of swing the favor back into the bulls. Because right now everything's going down right now, and I don't know about that, guys. I think I would just hold off until buying. I think this segues into my Bitcoin Black Friday theory. Okay, so we have I read an article on Medium. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it, and then I read an article on Steemit that said the exact opposite. So I'm going to go with my gut here and Bitcoin Black Friday. Why do I call it Bitcoin Black Friday? It's been going on for a couple of years here, Bitcoin Black Friday, but we're going to look at historical precedences. What happens to Bitcoin on Black Friday? Or on the Thanksgiving weekend in general. So I'm going to pull it out to the week because, I'm not zooming in that far. All right, let's take a look at November. All right. Can we pull into the daily now? Let's try. Absolutely not. We cannot. Okay. All right, obviously we cannot pull into the daily. But here's my theory. With all these new vendors, with all these new merchants, Bitcoin's popularity soaring in price. We have Overstock, Newegg, Cheap Air. I actually pulled out this little Coinbase blog here. We have eGifter. I love eGifter. I love using gift cards, my Bitcoin with gift cards, because you can essentially use it anywhere. Or you could buy Amazon gift cards, and you're essentially spending Bitcoin for Amazon goods. I mean, that's amazing. Why wouldn't you want that? There's a lot of food restaurants. I think Eat24 is about to start their Bitcoin acceptance. Travel like Expedia, Hotels.com, Cheap Air, and with eGifter and Gift especially, you could pretty much go anywhere with Bitcoin bought gift cards. So it's pretty. People are spending Bitcoin now. I think it is going a little bit mainstream. And what do people do when they get Bitcoin? What does a company, like a multi-million-dollar company like Overstock, do when they get Bitcoin? Do you think they're going to hold on to it? Do you think that's what their financial advisors and accountants are going to say? I don't think so, guys. I truly don't think so. I think we're going to see a small little sell-off here. I'm not saying it's anything too major, because it's only going to be the merchants that are probably going to sell off, or anyone who needs to buy something. Like maybe holiday season. We have never seen a year like this. So you cannot compare quarter 4 or December or the holiday season 2017 to the holiday season 2016. It's apples and oranges. You cannot compare them whatsoever. There's no comparing between what's going on now and what's going on last year. So right now it's all up in the air. Protect yourself, set your stop losses. I really think we're going to see that 77, 76 mark and then maybe jump right back up. But I think it could be a nice little flash sale for all the merchants that are accepting goods right now, accepting Bitcoins. We might see a small little sell-off, or what we could see is them holding on to it, or these big merchants holding on to their Bitcoin, saying, hey, we believe in Bitcoin in the long term. This is an investment for my company, for my business. And that's what I'm hoping for. And we shoot past, we exceed all expectations, and we get to that nice little, I want to call it nice little plateau where I think 85, 86 is our next target. And that's me being really optimistic, really optimistic. Round 2 of BTC, BCH battling tonight. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Let's take a look at that Bitcoin info charts, hash rate, BCH. Let's take a look at that. No, nothing really going on so far with BCH. I'm not too worried. Mining profitability. Again, these always are battling back and forth. Difficulty. Yeah, I wouldn't say one's better than the other. But again, I'm not a big Bitcoin Cash fan just because the way they implemented it. But we're gonna check out the BCH. I mean, obviously it's up 25% today, so not a bad idea. But again, I'm not a big believer on it. But we're gonna go over it regardless because this is important. This is important to see Bitcoin Cash, especially. It's important to see what's going on with the markets here in Bitcoin Cash. And I only have the 4-hour available. Okay. Well, this isn't showing me much, is it? All right. So we're going to take a look at these 4-hour indicators here. So we're continuing going up on BCH. That's too close. 1 hour, we went down. Now we're crossing back up. This is a strong cross. I think we could continue going up to maybe hitting that 1800 mark here. So what's it at right now? 1650 on cryptosomniac.com. So do check that out. Do check out cryptosomniac.com, guys. Subscribe and like. If you subscribe and actually, hold on. Let me pull it up here and I will show you guys what's going on. Okay, so let me drag this down here. Oh, sorry guys. Do check out cryptosomniac.com. We have newsletters every week that will be coming out. If you missed the top 3 cryptos of the month, there will be a new top 3 cryptos of the month. So do sign up for our newsletter on cryptosomniac.com. The sign up button is right here in red, nice and red here. So just enter your email and you could get that. And if you're subscribed, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Of course, please subscribe. And if you're subscribed and you want to catch me live here, subscribe, and you'll see this little bell right here, and then you just hit that little bell, and you'll get a notification just to see if I'm live or not. And sorry, to see when I'm live or not, you'll get a little notification, right? And on Twitter, we'll be posting this video on Twitter, and if you share this video, you will be entered a chance to win some free Kyber. I mean, who the hell doesn't like free Kyber, right? Kyber, a quick little rundown, is Ethereum's, Vitalik's second project that he's ever been an official advisor on. So OMG is the first one of our favorite coins here on the channel. And number 2 is Kyber, not my number 2 favorite, but the second project that Vitalik is sponsoring, or is advising rather. So we'll be giving some of that away. If you retweet this video on Twitter, and our Twitter is right there, twitter.com/cryptosomniac, and just retweet this video once it does become available. But yeah, let's actually go back through BCH real quick. All right, so I do think there's going to be we're going to continue to see a nice little rally here. The momentum is there. The momentum is there. So I really do think that we could break out there. Let's draw this real quick. Wow. Yeah, I mean that's a nice little slope here. That's massive volume coming in. Again, let's actually go to CoinMarketCap real quick and see what. So we're already at 1718. We're gonna see if BitHum is controlling this market. If BitHum is controlling this market, 42% BitHum. I don't know how strongly you guys feel about this, but I am not going to place my faith in 42% out of one exchange. And this exchange has been known. This exchange has been known to manipulate their prices and have low liquidity, therefore manipulating their prices in Bitcoin Cash. Therefore, there's not much Bitcoin Cash being entering the market, so the price keeps running up. That's exactly what happened. So if I had 10 apples and I already sold 7 of them, and now 100 people want 3 apples, the price will be run up because obviously the supply is low, the demand will be run up. So in the order books, you'll keep going down. You could demand more and more money because Bitcoin Cash isn't being sold right away, right? It isn't being sold. There's not too much supply of it, right? So, and since it is being all bought up, the liquidity is being bought up very quickly, and arbitrage is very hard into the Korean market. Arbitrage is exchange to exchange supply. So, if I'm, for example, if I have Ethereum here in America in my Coinbase account, I could switch it over to BitHum, and I could be trading on BitHum if the price is a little higher, and I could cash out. That's what arbitrage is essentially is. so I wouldn't get my, I wouldn't have too much faith in this, but I don't doubt that we could easily hit, the 18, 19, even maybe the high 19. I don't know if we'll break past that 2,000. That's a little too ambitious for me. But this is another time where I'll probably exit. I'm not a great believer on here. I'll probably exit a little portion. I exited around 30% of my Bitcoin Cash holdings, and now I'm probably going to exit a little bit more on this next bump. This could be a glorified dead cat bounce. We don't know. We don't know anything yet. Liquidity is low on the other exchanges, so I am kind of concerned for that, and BitHum is controlling that, so a little bit concerning there, guys. So, but let's go through. Let's go back. I'm gonna wrap the stream up here. Please subscribe if you haven't. We have a Udemy course for $10. Fantastic beginner's course. You'll learn about all these indicators. If you're interested in the Moon Lounge, where I'm pretty much there 24/7. As soon as I wake up, as soon as I go to sleep, I check my Moon Lounge. Just a great discussion place for really enthusiastic investors. And, happy Thanksgiving special shout out to everyone in the Moon Lounge. Happy Thanksgiving. Really appreciate the support. And let's go to the moon together, guys. Check out our Facebook group. around 18,000 members now. It's again in the description. Of course, check out cryptosomniac.com. Your premier website for everything cryptocurrency related. A one-stop shop. We're upgrading the website every single week. So please do check out the new features as they become available. And of course, I'll let you know here. Set more one-on-one appointments. So we do take me and Sam do take one-on-one appointments. If you want to pick our brain or help us or want us to help you manage your portfolio, not manage your portfolio, but reallocate some of the portfolio, kind of see where we're putting our coins and what we think the future is. So I really appreciate it, guys. Again, stay a Cryptosomniac. Have a happy Thanksgiving. The markets never sleep, and neither do we. And I think 2018 is going to bring us even better gains, and I think we've been blessed for 2017. So thank you so much, guys. Have a happy Thanksgiving. This is Stay Cryptosomniac. Peace out, guys.